Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to find Vavada discount promo codes. So you can use your PC or your phone to do this. Launch your web browser and go to chippy.com/bonus-blog/Vavada-casino-bonus-codes. So here they regularly update this, so don't worry if there is just one promo code available at the moment. You can try checking it regularly or weekly if a promo code comes up. So there are a lot of promo codes here: popular, deposit, expired, and welcome pack. So click on popular. So here's one, cheapy 100. You can click that and it's automatically copied to your clipboard, and then click deposit. So this is a deposit required bonus offer. So there's a condition here. Make sure to do that if you want to use this. And there are expired codes. You can see that there are some promo codes that have been expired or used. And then we have a welcome pack here. So you can use the code CHIPPY. So make sure to visit this site and refresh it every time. Do it weekly or monthly if you would like to. And then that's basically it.